Power on. Here input power. And now battery also charging. And in AC output we already connect multimeter and already select AC. Now we will enable AC output. As you can see now, the battery percentage also increased. The output also stable. You can see DC and Type C USB. You can see behind light LED. And the output is not connected here. DC. As you can see, the AC also stable. And battery also charging. Once we power off, now we power on again. Power also stable and still charging. Job completed.